Hi friends, this is not a financial advice, but if you're trying to swap a token on Pancake Swap and you run into this error of cannot estimate gas or transaction may fail or may require a manual gas limit or any other error, maybe you can what you can do is let's say if I'm trying to swap this particular token and if I do confirm swap and I get this error. Okay, so how to there is a workaround is just suffix this with dot and 30 and hit swap, and now it's gonna pop up for a transaction sign on my trust wallet. I'll approve it and boom, transaction submitted. Or what you can do is there is a different exchange called bogged finance. You can try doing the same transaction in here. Most likely you will not run into issues here in this exchange, on this exchange. Yep. All the best. Happy investing. Thank you. Bye bye.